UAE don't suspend employment visa for Nigerians. So, hey, it be like say UAE, Dubai people, they really mean us. Una just cancel flight, say, na never dey sure where people go dey travel. Now, na employment visa, abeg, wetin we do on? Abeg, wetin we do on? Make una write a special letter, come give them, make we beg. Because the wahala now, it don't dey too much. But as we gather now, they say, UAE suspend this employment visa because of the increasing rate of crimes. The kind things wey Nigerians, our Nigerian brothers, they go do for that Dubai, it don't dey too much. The kasala wey na dey cause for this Dubai and other places, it don't too much. Now wetin make them these people now come reason and say the only thing for them to do, now to stop this employment visa. Maybe if people stop to dey come there to dey come work, they go get peace of mind small. Nigeria una dey see? Now una dey spoil this our country. If people talk say they no want make Nigerians come, they get reason. And on a day part, everybody on a day part, they go give an opportunity say travel, just ordinary Dubai, just go there, go do small, and I go from court, go from this one, go from that one, go there kill people. Go just dey there, they think, and I no go reason say make I do legit work, make I do something be say e dey okay, and I go just wake up say na court killing of people, thiefing na I go decide say na one con dey do. And I see say now Dubai don't concept put their own law. I don't even blame them, these people. I don't blame them at all because the kind things what people they do, I make them do this one. Just last 2 weeks, some Nigerians they go kill themselves. They are in a cult group or been waiting for Saraj, been a Saraj. They go fight themselves, kill themselves. You know even to take again for Abu Dhabi. They still go rob some family. These ones they even be Dubai citizen. They go rob them, still go kill them with the wife. All this one now join. My people beg. Make you no be like say I dey lie on top of all this my one Nigerian brothers head. Make una watch where this cultists go dey fight for inside this Dubai.
So this seems to be cultists, and I don't know which cult it is. It is not contained in the caption, and they're attacking other fellow Nigerian cultists, maybe another cult group. Okay, and this is the first video. The other video is a video where they have concluded the attack. And there was a murder. At least I saw at least 3 butchered dead bodies and about 3 to 4 other people with machete cuts. So now I don't know whether these people that did the attack sustained casualties. You know, maybe the people that they were attacking fought back.
And I don't see Abi. Later I go say Nigeria no good. Government no they do this. In fact, on ourselves be problem. Every Nigerian self don't turn problem for this Nigeria where we did. You go travel out, stay there, do better thing. Your character, your reputation, everything go just change. You go travel 1 week, you go don't turn assassin, I been a big man. Because the thing where you go there, you know, be legit thing. Why be say we dey behave like? Why be say we be like this? Just 1 week. 1 week, now they talk say, if na see as Dubai hot, say Dubai don't even over hot due to Nigerian people. And as it be, for those of them who don't know, when they plan travel, all these ones girls have seen and like no they stay one place, sure, and I don't travel go Dubai. Make I give the latest information. Then the Dubai police has been like they don't they raid. Either you come there legally, you don't come there legally, they don't they raid Nigerians. They don't they arrest Nigerians because on our wahala don't too much. They don't tire for on our crimes. The kind of things when they do, it don't they too much for their head. Now make the confidence say make them stop this kind of thing. So for those of you who don't know, work permit for UAE, you don't go. UAE don't suspend UAR. Everything don't quench. Make everybody sit down for their house. Because now don't they too much. Travel go work. Now go there. Travel go they do their work. Go they do this one. Hush puppy they it thief person money. That one they never even settle the case. Now another group of set. I beg they swear force. This name Nigeria. Cause they on top. On a show say that they never swear put on top. Now I make every person something they always worry one person. Because I don't listen all this kind of thing. All this one now, just because you want impress person. The urge to make money for this our current youth, it don't too much. Everybody want travel go Dubai. The Dubai where they travel going, most stuff no be even legit money. Yahoo boys, all of them, they gather, they go that place. And if they go there, they don't go stay there, jeje. They will go join one association and be another thing. You get the opportunity, you they misuse them. People, when they find this opportunity, they say, if they even go there, they go behave past Jesus Christ, they know they see. Why they make things hard, I beg, for Nigerians? Why they make things hard for these Nigeria people? Because some people are good people. But because of say, if they hear the name Nigeria, they don't believe say every Nigerian is a bad person. And this one no good. Una just they spoil our name and the society. In fact, now our problem, it don't pass Buhari on. It don't pass bad governance. It don't pass governor. No, they do this one. It don't pass. All of us now need spiritual cleansing. Maybe they carry everybody go select water, go back first. Because our mentality, you dey Nigeria, you go dey complain. You travel go abroad, you go dey misbehave. I mean, what did they worry on? What did they worry us? We just dey spoil everything for ourselves. Oh. Because if Dubai cancel, sooner or later, we go hear say America self don't spoil. People when they say they go follow Ghana. Soon self Ghana self go ban on her because now wahala don't dey too much. They don't dey say on a bad names. Now they carry bad things, they come the country. And nobody go want bad name for your country. Today this one die, tomorrow this one die. Before you go check, now Nigeria they do everything. Now only us, my people, this one tire me. Of course, make I bring them, make a service na here. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody safe will see what we dey yarn about. I go see you now for our next video.